Installing new windows in your Auburn Hills home is an exciting upgrade that can enhance energy efficiency, increase your property value, and improve your home's overall aesthetic. However, to ensure a smooth and hassle-free installation process, it's essential to prepare your home in advance. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get your home ready for window installation. Schedule a consultation and plan ahead before installation day. Work closely with your window contractor to finalize the details. Discuss the scope of work, timeline, and any specific preparations you need to make. Knowing the number of windows being replaced, the installation process, and any required permits will help you plan effectively. Ensure you confirm the arrival time of the crew and understand how long the installation will take. Clear the work areas. The installation team will need clear access to the windows, both inside and outside your home. Start by removing furniture, curtains, blinds, and decorative items from around each window. If the windows are in a high-traffic area, consider temporarily moving larger items, such as sofas or dining tables, to another room. Outside, trim overgrown shrubs or trees near the windows and move outdoor furniture, garden tools, or planters out of the way. This ensures the crew has plenty of space to work safely and efficiently. Protect your belongings. Window installation can create a lot of dust and debris. Cover nearby furniture, flooring, and electronics with plastic sheeting or drop cloths to protect them from dirt and potential damage. If you have valuable items hanging on walls near the installation area, such as mirrors or artwork, take them down to prevent accidents caused by vibrations or movement during the installation process. For added precaution, consider temporarily storing fragile or sentimental items in a separate room. Create a safe environment. Ensure the work area is safe for both the crew and your family. If you have children or pets, plan ahead to keep them away from the work zones. Secure gates, close doors, or set up temporary barriers to limit access. This not only keeps everyone safe but also allows the installers to focus on their work without interruptions. If you're concerned about noise or disruption, consider scheduling the installation when your family is out of the house for the day. Prepare for energy efficiency testing. If you're upgrading to energy-efficient windows, some contractors may conduct air leakage or insulation tests before installation. Clear any obstructions around the windows and seal off other areas where air drafts could interfere with accurate readings. Discuss with your contractor if this step is part of your installation process and how to prepare for it. Communicate with your installer. Open communication with your installer is key to a successful project. Inform them of any specific challenges or concerns, such as difficult access points or unusual window shapes. If your home has unique features, such as historic windows or custom designs, make sure the crew is aware of these details in advance. Ask your installer to explain their process for removing old windows and disposing of materials. This helps you plan for any disruptions and ensures you understand what to expect. Ensure easy access to power outlets. The installation crew may need access to electrical outlets for tools and equipment. Check that nearby outlets are functional and accessible. If outdoor outlets are limited, provide an extension cord or discuss alternative arrangements with the crew. Be ready for post-installation cleanup. After the installation is complete, there may be leftover debris, packaging, or dust. While many contractors clean up after themselves, it's a good idea to have a broom, vacuum, or trash bags ready just in case. Inspect the installation work carefully and ensure all windows open, close, and lock properly. Review care instructions. Once the windows are installed, your contractor should provide maintenance and care instructions. Pay close attention to cleaning recommendations, especially if your windows feature special coatings or materials. Proper maintenance will keep your new windows looking great and functioning optimally for years to come. Enjoy your new windows. After the dust has settled, take a moment to appreciate your newly installed windows. Not only do they enhance the beauty of your home, but they also provide improved insulation and energy savings. Share your experience with friends and neighbors, and don't hesitate to contact your installer with any follow-up questions. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Auburn Hills home is well prepared for window installation. A little preparation goes a long way in minimizing disruptions and ensuring a seamless process, leaving you to enjoy the benefits of your upgraded windows stress-free.